Greetings. It is May 19th, Thursday, 2022. The portrait turns out, which will also include perhaps metaphorical wing and or allegorical sea monster. It will be, turn the radio off for a sec. This will be the 75th artwork of the Under the Wings art series depicting Holocaust victims and victims of fascism in Europe, 1930s through wars in 1945. My great uncle Liebl, he was a brother of my grandpa Harry, who I knew growing up until age 18. Grandpa Harry died in 1968 when I was 18. I've previously depicted Liebl in one of the three works of the Shoah trilogy, which can be viewed in my website and other Holocaust art, the Shoah trilogy. Liebl on the right there. Great-grandma Zlata Barshevsky, Liebl's mother, who is my mother's grandma on her dad's side. All right, to be continued. We'll see how the ink turns out first. Okay, how we doing, Veggie Wedgies? I could draw a parakeet in there. Why not? Would you like that? You're all being non-committal. That's okay. I'll get the radio back on in a sec, darlings.